Do you like trains? Well, a few friends and I are headed to a model train market in Laval. And of course, we're headed there by public transportation. First, the Orange Line to Montmorency, then the 42.
It's the world's best tunnel. It does not smell that bad, actually. There's people leaving their trash on the edges there. And someone left their coat there. Someone had a good crash right here with their McDonald's. Hey, you're on YouTube.
Hi, I'm on YouTube.
Is that all you had to say?
I'm sure I'll have more to say later.
Fortunately, the 42 isn't inside of Montmorency's bus station.
I'm not entirely sure what the 42 is. Hopefully, somewhere around here.
LAVAL sucks.
I mean, there's a university campus, there's a stage up on our right there. And that is offices, that's offices, yeah, I think. The Bella Direct. Those like offices. And there's the Place Belle over there.
This is like their Lycée Nollier. That's sad.
Yeah. I guess.
Can we like make donations for the people of Laval?
To what? To fix their urbanism?
I just think that they should get like
help.
I think they should get like a beer or something. Like if I lived here, I'd want a beer.
Right, okay. I see.
And I'm allergic to beer.
The bus? There's no livery, that's true.
Put some clothes on.
We'll stop filming it. No.
After a short ride, we arrived at the high school hosting the market.
Oh,
Explore the rabbit hole.
let's see how deep it goes.
Montreal Transit. I'm not.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yay.
Thank you. Good content.
I'm so good at content.
Thank
I
you.
used to be a live streamer.
What were you streaming?
Minecraft.
I don't know. I haven't played Undertale or Deltarune.
You would still be Birdly.
Okay, is it this?
Nope.
No, it doesn't look like it. Alright, entrée du show.
Now this is what I came for. Time to head out for lunch at Carrefour Laval. The fastest way is a 10 to 15 minute walk through Stroats and a parking lot that's at least as big as the mall.
Hey, camera.
Oh, yes.
Session time. I've stolen copper from a construction site.
Cool.
I have. Well,
No. For legal
it
purposes.
wasn't stealing.
It was just there. You could pick it up.
The guy said I could take it.
That's it.
Straightest way?
Has Pythagorean not taught you anything?
No, but we're engineers. Why are we going the straightest way? Have you thought about that?
We're going the fastest way because gay people walk faster.
This is
Also
true.
true.
Checkmate, liberal. What do you think a bad shape is?
I don't know. Heptagons?
Carrefour Laval.
Just cruising.
It's somewhere. It's there.
Hey guys, it's me, Wario.
Great content as always.
Hey, at least the poke was good.
Info dump now, queen.
Info dump.
I got a rock.
You got a raw.
No, it's a. I don't even know.
Or what is this?
So, I'm working on a project and I need to have a HO model train.
Mm-hmm.
And I know this brand in particular, IHC or Mahano.
Okay.
Yes.
Best bang for your buck in terms of build quality on a budget.
Yes.
And since it's going to be something that's running a lot, definitely having it, be sturdy but not expensive.
Right.
Huge win.
Okay.
And then I just got some rolling stock to go with it.
What'd you get?
I got a shitload of 2 railroads track.
Nice. And a switch?
2 switches. And
Ah.
a little piece to connect this with. And just this random bogey.
Oh, yeah, random bogey, yeah.
The random bogey.
Official random bogey.
It's gonna be great for scratch building, kid fashion.
Nice.
It's good all around.
Nice.
Oh, are those horn hooks?
They are horn hooks.
Ooh. I just happen to have a random Mahano.
And I got this thing. This It's got the guys. Link. Lego.
It was time to head home.
Clip, you're talking about City Skylines. The 70 is City Skylines shit. Look at the 70.
Normal routes.
Normal sub. That's like West Island shit.
Finally, I'm headed out of Laval.